You are a bird. Did you know?
I am not a bird.
I think you're a bird.
But birds have wings, where I have just only feet.
Yes, but you also have just a shirt, which covers the wings on your back.
But I don't think that I am a bird.
But you must be a bird, because I can hear bird noises chirping in the background.
I'm sorry, but I just don't hear anything.
Well, that's because I said that you were a bird, not a dog.
I have to get back to work now.
I think you want to be free.
I do not wish to be free. I am not a bird. I am a boy,
Birds vomit into the mouths of small babies.
but I'm...
They also explode whenever they expel large amounts of rather unpleasant gas from out of their other ends that are not so pleasant.
Now, see here. But the bird. I am not a bird. And
The birds are calling you.
get out of my sight. And get. Oh, I see. And this is why you don't have an active love life. Oh, I see. Oh, I see.
But I have an active love life. I'm a dog. A spunky dog. But you're a bird.
I have to get back to work now.
I hope that you think about this discussion.